It's really kind of three buckets, if you will, in my mind. It's like the tech stack complexity is meaningful. It's really intense and intricate. And building a cloud requires, first and foremost, proper tenant isolation and fault tolerance. That's a challenge in and of itself. I think with small teams working on multiple projects, it's hard to achieve even that. But addressing multi-tenancy requirements is also vital. And that means we can bring to the table, and where some companies are challenged in terms of expertise for virtualization and GPU configuration and partitioning, high performance networking, storage. Like, the reality is that buying the hardware is the easy part. Operationalizing it is the harder part. And as we were saying earlier, like, most teams just don't have that experience today. And that's where we can come in, because ultimately what they're hoping for is like a hyperscaler-like experience.